My girlfriend's in the background cooking. Don't worry about that. We're gonna be talking about how I built 2 different businesses, or how I'm building 2 different businesses using TikTok. So the 2 businesses that I'm building out is basically the TikTok courses that I'm selling. And yes, that's a real business, LLC, all that good stuff, separate bank account. And then the second business is my real estate business. As a real estate agent, I need to build up my team. I need to get more leads for the rentals that I'm showing. I need to find more ways to rent out more apartments so I can put more money in my pockets. Now, first things first, how did I build out my TikTok explosion course, it's called, and build a source of income from that using TikTok? So throughout the pandemic, like I talked about in one of my last few videos, I built up a TikTok of over 930,000 followers. And throughout the process, I realized that the tips and the ideas that I was using to build up my TikTok, I'm able to teach other people because it was duplicatable. Some of the ideas I got from other people that were on YouTube building up their TikToks. And then I built off of that and created tons of great ideas that was literally skyrocketing my TikTok to hundreds of thousands of followers. Hold up. Hold up, my puppy was just humping her bed. Stella, don't do that. Bad. All right, back to business. Once I realized I could teach other people how to do what I'm doing with TikTok, I started to do tons of research and look up how I could build out a course the easiest way possible, but the most efficient way possible, so that people could easily navigate through my training videos and get a clear understanding of exactly what it is they need to do. And I wanted it to be able to work for any niche. So whether you're doing fitness or you're doing some sort of comedy, maybe you're doing singing, whatever you're doing. So I spent a good 2 weeks just building out my course as far as, the planning, the scripting, all the different segments I was gonna have, the pricing, how I wanted to lay out the website. And then I spent a good week filming for it, and I was literally getting like maybe 2 hours, 3 hours of sleep every single day throughout that week. I don't want to bore you with all the details, but basically once I built out the course, I was using my TikTok since the point of about 700,000 followers. I was using my audience, always cops and ambulance. Wasn't using my audience, let me rephrase that. I was advertising to my audience basically. Anybody who wants to grow on TikTok, you can find my course, the link is in the bio. I built out 108 detailed videos, and with these videos, I helped so many people get hundreds of thousands of followers, which you can actually see on my website, doseofjoseph.co. I'll write it down here. Link will also be in the description. And by the way, it's 50% off right now. Not only was I using TikTok to advertise it, but I was also making videos on YouTube about how to grow on TikTok, giving people free value. That's actually what Gary Vaynerchuk teaches in his sales conferences and in his books. I think he calls it like jab, 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 right hook or something like that, where basically you give tons of free value, and then because the audience is comfortable with you, because they've already gotten a lot of free information from you, they'd most likely be willing to buy something from you because you've already given them so much free value, and also because they probably like you. Doing this again? So I was making videos on YouTube on how to grow on TikTok, and then at the end of those videos, and still to this day, I'm getting lots of sales just off of YouTube. I think I made like 47 videos about TikTok now on YouTube, and all of those videos have my course link in the bio, and a lot of them I mentioned the course. So that's the first business I was building out using TikTok. The second one, real estate, as I mentioned, not only am I able to take videos of tons of apartments, and since I know how to edit because I'm doing YouTube and I've been doing TikTok throughout the whole pandemic, and I know exactly what it takes to make an interesting video that blows up on TikTok, I've been able to use that with the rentals I'm showing on TikTok. And I put a link in my bio that lets people fill out a form if they want to see an apartment with me. Then once they fill out the form, I reach out to them and I have a lead that I could potentially rent an apartment to. Lead meaning somebody that wants whatever you're selling, something that could lead to a sale. On top of the fact that I'm building up this second TikTok, which you can find right here, Dose of Joseph, I'm also using TikTok to build out my real estate team. I actually put a couple videos on TikTok telling people that I'm bringing in real estate agents. I had them fill out a form in my bio, and I basically had them go through a questionnaire that lets me get to know them better, and I could choose the people that I potentially want to work with, and then I interview them, bring them in, have them start working with me. And just to get a general idea of how many people have been filling out the forms to see apartments and how many people have been filling out the form to start working with me. As of right now, after only a month of doing rental TikTok and apartment TikTok, I've gotten over 700 leads for people who want to see an apartment and want to rent an apartment, and I've gotten over 120 applications for people that want to work with me. And over the past 2 weeks, I already brought in about 8 people, and I'm going to continue to bring in more people until I hit about 30 or even more. If you're trying to build up any business, I highly recommend you use TikTok for marketing because it's one of the best platforms to blow up on very quickly. And on top of of that, you could put a link in the bio, just like Instagram. And if you want to put multiple links in your bio, use Linktree. Linktree actually allows you to put multiple links within one link. You get your own Linktree link. Once they click that, they'll be brought to a page that has multiple links that you have chosen to put on that Linktree page. This way you can advertise your business, advertise your YouTube and stuff like that. I wouldn't recommend putting too many links because you don't want to give people too many options because they'll end up not taking a choice. Or maybe they'll click on something that doesn't make you money. If you're trying to build out a business, the end goal here is to make some money. But yeah, those are the two businesses that I built out using TikTok. Highly recommend you do it. If you have any questions for me, comment down in the comment section. If you have any other questions for me about TikTok or maybe YouTube, anything like that, also comment that down below. If you like this video, definitely like it. Also subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Boom!